Wochi. He almost said something.
I almost said something else?
Uh-huh.
So today I'm meeting up with my good friend, True Vonne, and she's gonna try to teach me the common phrases. So I'm gonna say the English word, she's gonna say the word Ngana tree, and I will try to pronounce it myself. And let's see how I do. So, check it out.
Okay, so the next set of phrases are common questions and responses. So what's the first word?
Do you understand English?
That's the first phrase, and in Chi it is Wote brofo.
Wote brofo.
And then the person can respond Ane or Debbie,
Right.
meaning they understand or they don't understand.
Ane is yes, Debbie is no. Got it. All right, so the next phrase is how do you say in TWI?
So it means like if you want to know the name of a certain word in Chi,
Right.
and you're asking the question, right?
Right.
So you would say na yeka dododo wochi. That's a long one.
Yes, I want to know soap.
So ask the question in Chi.
Se naeka wutrimu.
No, so you put the
Oh,
word
se na, okay, yeah. Se naeka soap wutrimu.
wochi. He almost said something.
I almost said something else.
Say it again.
Se naeka soap wutrimu.
Wochimu. Okay, so soap is seminar.
Seminar.
So if I don't understand English or you just want to know the word, ask that. Say na yeka soap wochimu. Then the person will say seminar.
Ah, I got it.
So what is soap?
Seminar.
Seminar.
All right, so the next phrase is what time is it?
Abosen.
Abosen. What time is it? Abosen. The next phrase is how much is it?
How much is it? ASN.
ASN.
And just so you know, guys, there are lots of other phrases you can use, but these ones are like the simplest ones that we've chosen for you. So because this one you can also say ASN, but that's like too long. So you just say ASN.
ASN. It's easy for me. It's like saying the letters A, S, N.
Yeah.
So that's easy for me. After you ask how much it costs, the response is it costs.
Cost, which is a year.
A year.
So like a year 2 cities or a year 10 cities.
And since we're going to be negotiating, you're not going to say, okay, 10 CDs. So we'll talk about what the response should be for I will pay. All right, so now that we've established how much it costs, or at least the initial costs, right? Because everything's a bargain here, so you don't have to pay the actual cost. The response will be I will pay.
I will pay, which is mitia. So if the person says, you ask the question, how much is it?
Yes.
ASN.
ASN.
Then I say a 10 cities.
And I say,
Mitia.
Metia, 2 CDs.
2 cities. Exactly.
Go real low, somewhere you'll meet in the middle. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.